Good evening. Tonight on the show, I'll be talking to some rock stars and a man who was mugged. And then when he told his attackers he was an MP, they mugged him some more. But first, I was reading the Mirror the other day and came across this letter, okay? I was cycling to work when a man in a sports car cut me up. The driver was Jeremy Clarkson, who leaned out of his window and shouted, "Oi, get a car!" I said, no such thing. What I actually said was, get a car, you leaf-eating, hatchet-faced Nazi. I'm a fair man, though. I do think that cyclists should be given the same privileges on the road as car drivers get. The thing is, though, that the government has been trying to promote cycling. They say it's easy. They say it's fun. They introduced us to the family people carrier bike. They say cycling's good for you and that anyone can do it. They even managed to get an elephant on a bike once. Look. But just last month, we had European Cycling Day. Now, this is what it looked like in Belgium, all right? And coming up now is what it looked like in Britain. So, why the reluctance? Well, you're probably familiar with this. It's a fold-away bicycle. The idea being that you take it out of the boot of your car and then ride it to work. Great. But if you have a car, why do you need a bike? Well, let's see. Today, cycling is supposed to be easy because they've built 5,000 miles of cycle lanes. Sounds wonderful, but there is a problem. Honestly, what is the point of having 5,000 miles of cycle lanes if they're not joined up? Aha! Well, you see, the thing is, cyclists are allowed to ride in one of Mr. Prescott's bus lanes. Payback time. Shut up! I'm going as fast as I want to. I might pull over in a minute for no good reason. See how you like it. Even if I wanted to go quickly, I couldn't because, of course, on a bicycle, the entire world is uphill. And they say this is good for you. Well, it probably is, until you get run over. You see, that's the thing about cycling. Your heart, your lungs, your spleen, they'll all be in perfect condition when the surgeon gives them to someone else.